Higgsfield AI has been going crazy with the updates, dropping gem after gem after gem.
These updates are so insane.
But today, we're talking about what I believe is the future for AI creation, MCP.
Haters gonna hate and don't appreciate. Call it AI slap, but haters, you just wait.
Instantly connecting Higgsfield to our workflows to generate cinematic images and videos directly from our very basic prompts. When you use this with Claude, you are truly leveraging the power of AI. The first thing you have to do is go to Claude and open up Settings. Down in the bottom left-hand corner is where you can find it. Select your profile emblem. Once in here, you can choose Connections, and once you do, you can see that Connections has moved to what is called Customize. Go ahead and select that. Once inside, up in the top left, you can see I already created the Higgsfield connection. But what you would do is hit that plus button right here. Choose custom connector, and now paste in this URL that Higgsfield provides. By the way, I'll include this link in my description as well, that way you can easily find it. But done, it's that simple. We're now gonna have a full creative studio directly available in Claude. Let me show you exactly how to do this with some amazing examples. Let's say for an example, I wanna maybe create something similar to this. Now, if you don't know how to prompt specifically for Seedance 2.0, this could be a little bit more difficult to figure out. It has the continuous shots, the multi-shots, etc. But let's go ahead and do this with MCP using Claude. Now with Claude opened up, this is what we're gonna do. That video I just showed you, I'm gonna click and drop it right here in the chat. There it is right there. The next thing I'll say is this specific prompt, analyze this video. I want to create something like that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and now submit enter just like this. And there it goes. I'll analyze the video for you. Let me extract some frames and look at it closely. So it's thinking in real time, examining the frames, understanding the audio. And now look, it's architected a multi-view frame display system for the video analysis. And you can see it's going to work right away. As we scroll down, it basically provides the instruction on exactly how to recreate this video. But here is the really impressive part, okay? Now, what I said is use Higgsfield to recreate the video. Just mentioning Higgsfield automatically allows Claude to understand. We're gonna go ahead and generate this video. So here it comes down here. It's gonna set up the Higgsfield workflow process, but look at what is so impressive about this. It automatically populates Higgsfield's presets right here. So I can come in here and I could actually choose one of these to use. If not, I can also scroll back down and it says that presets don't have a clean overhead apartment glide. So what it's going to do, Claude, it says that it's going to build a custom one instead. And look, Claude wants to generate image from Higgsfield, say always allow. It's thinking to itself, so that way, after assessing the video, it understands there's a very specific camera movement. It's going to recreate one. It's now going to generate the image utilizing Nano Banana 2. Then once that image is generated, the video conversion process will begin. Oh, and now look, it's already done. There is the image with Nano Banana 2. Amazing. The video conversion process begins. Now, you could trust Higgsfield that it will populate and use and select the best AI video tool, or you can get specific and say, actually, I want you to use Seedance. Either way will work. And now there it is. Here is the plan for the video step 1. This frame lands. There it is. This is going to be the perfect sort of strategy to use to where if you ever see a viral trending video on social media, you really like the way it looks, but there's some gatekeeping. People aren't sharing the prompts that made it. This is where utilizing this MCP strategy will help you recreate the same sort of one. Yes, it looks right. Generate using Seedance 2.0. And now look at this. Also in here, it's actually pulling up my most recent generations from actually Higgsfield AI. Okay, so now our video is done. Let's see how good of a job it looks. All done without leaving the chat. Okay, now moving on. Let's go to something that really does impress me. I have a brand new chat opened up, and I'm going to say this in the specific prompt. Trained a soul character named Luna from these 8 reference photos. And so what I did was just upload 8 reference photos of an AI influencer. Now to keep things moving, we'll come back to that in a second. It's just going to ask simply for a few approvals and access to my credits. Let's start the process on something else. Use this product URL to create a polished marketing video for launch. Let me put at the very beginning, with Higgsfield, use this product. And what this actually is, this is a direct link to my everything bundle, okay? If we head back over here, here it is. Look, it's saying it needs to have access to my media and my upload. So go ahead and give it the permissions that you could use. Upload media. Look at this. It populates this box right here. Once you've confirmed the 8 or 7 downloads in the widget, the confirmed media IDs come back to me. Okay, easy. Let's go ahead and upload from my device. So those same photos, I'm now going to just drop in right there. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and say continue with 8, just like that. Before running this prompt, malicious content. Okay, never mind that. Let's go ahead and now submit. And now there we have it. It actually did all the work for me. Now we'll come back and see what happens next. First, one more permission, kicking off the Luna Soul train now with all 8 references, always allow. And now, because this can take a little bit of time, let's create one more thing. Now this one is really interesting. The prompt, it's simple. Animate this product photo into a 6-second cinematic shot. Use the bullet time preset with a slow 360 camera move. Well, what photo are we actually referring to? Let's say something like this. We'll download that. All right. With that downloaded, that is what we are now going to bring into the chat. Drag it in just like that. There we go. Now with that being the case, submit this one. Okay, and now back over here, look, it is training Luna. Instantly, look at this. It automatically pulls up my characters already in Higgsfield AI, my soul characters. And you can see it right here in real time, training Luna, training character. It could take a few seconds. Perfect. Let's check this out. Here is Luna. Look how amazing this did, creating her as a new soul character. The next, we're going to have my ad for my everything bundle URL. I pasted in. Look at this. This is also remarkable. And now finally, the product photo now turned into a video. Now, the sky's the limit, and there are so many things that we could do using Higgsfield AI, MCP, and Claude. This is just the beginning, the tip of the iceberg. I just wanted to share and show you today how to connect this, how to get started, and how impressive this can really be. Wait until you see the things that we could start building and creating. So if you like this video, please remember, hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description. Until then, I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the mule. If it's the last thing you do, subscribe to the mule. I was made for the poor.